Now, hello students, I discuss this further in NCERT solutions. So that the relation R on the set R of real number. Actually, it is a relation R and it is a real number systems R, and defined on R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. We have to prove this another result. Now come to the part of the solution. If taking R as a set, R is equal to AB such that A is less than equals to B square, and it can be observed that if we take it as an element half 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and if we check it, then it doesn't satisfy this relation. That means 1 by 2 not less than equals to 1 by 4. It is clear that 1 by 2 is not less than equals to 1 by 4. So this relation doesn't satisfy. And since half is greater than 1 by 2 square equals to 1 by 4, so this R is not reflexive. Now if we take these 2 points 1, 4, that belongs to R. That means 1 obviously less than 16, 4 square. But if we take this alternative element as a 4, 1, this doesn't belongs to R, as 4 doesn't less than 1, so the relation is not symmetric, as we find by the definition A is less than B square. So taking the point A as 1 and B as 4 in this manner, so 4, 1, if taking A as 4, B as 1, then 16 is less than 1, it is false, so R is not symmetric. And now if we take these 2 points 3 by 2 and 2 comma 3 by 1.5, like as that, as we take 3 is less than 2 square, it is 2, and 2 is less than 1.5 whole square, that is 2.25, it is also true. But if we take 3 transitive relation for case of transition, so 3 is greater than 1.5 square, so this doesn't satisfy this relation, that is 2.25. So R is not transitive, hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So we can find this result. Now let's watch another problem. If we check whether the relation R be defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1, then we have to see this result or test this result, either it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. How to test? Taking the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a relation R be defined on the set A as R is equal to A comma B such that B equals to A plus 1. And now let's take these points. If we checking this relation R, that is 1 comma 2, as we construct it as 2 is equal to 1 plus 1, 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, 4 is equal to 3 plus 1 in this manner, 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. So all these relations is included in R. Now we find A, that is a reflexivity. 1, 1. 1 is not equals to 1 plus 1. So its relation is not false, not true. So it is not reflexive relation. So A doesn't belongs to R. It is clear. And for instance 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That doesn't satisfy the definition criteria. And it is given by the definition. So 3 is not equals to 3 plus 1, 4. 1 is not equals to 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is not equals to 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 4 is not equals to 4 plus 1, 5 in this manner. So all these relations doesn't exist in R. So R is not reflexive. And it can be observed that if 1, 2 is belonging to R, that is 2 is equal to 1 plus 1. But 2, 1 is not belongs to R, as 2 is equal to, but we can say this result that 1 not equals to 2 plus 1, so it doesn't belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. Now taking the transitive relation, if 1, 2 and 2, 3 belonging to R, but 1, 3 if we check that 3 is equal to 3 doesn't equals to 1 plus 1, so it doesn't belongs to R. So 1 3 2 3 belongs to R. That doesn't imply 1 3 belongs to R. Hence R is not transitive. Hence R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So in this way we can show our results in our discussion. Thank you.